Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Friday, the 3rd of July. Here's your weather wisdom for today. Boston reached 101 yesterday. What's interesting is that many inland areas, like Norwood, didn't. And one of the reasons for that is we had a westerly wind. And when you get a westerly wind, it drives the heat to the coastline. West wind makes places like Portland, Portsmouth, Boston the hottest places in southern and central New England. So that's one of the things that happened yesterday. It's marginal. It doesn't matter. Other places got to 98, 99. But it is interesting that Boston ended up as one of the hottest places because of that westerly wind. Today we're going to be up near 100 again. If we do it today, it'll be the first time since the 1940s that we've had back-to-back 100-degree days. In Boston, there was 1919 and 1911 as well. In 1911, that second day was July 4th, and it was 104, and that's the all-time record high temperature. So, this time of the year, if you look back, it's kind of when, if we're going to do it, we did it once in August, but if we're going to do these 100-degree days, most often it's in this time of the year because the sun is so strong. Another thing contributing to the 100 is the drought. So why the drought? Because the sun's energy goes into evaporating moisture out of the ground. It also goes into heating the ground. And if there's nothing to evaporate, then that energy is going to go into heating the ground. And if that ground gets hot, that's going to create higher temperatures. And I think that's another contributing factor to why some inland areas didn't reach 100 yesterday, because there is a little bit of moisture from some showers that went through, and that kept the ground wet. So the sun's energy needed to evaporate that moisture before it could heat, and that's why we stayed, a couple of degrees under the 100 mark. Not a big deal, but nevertheless, that's what we got. I don't think there'll be any showers or storms today. Tonight, partly cloudy, down in the 70s. It's amazing we're starting near 80 in many spots this morning. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, chance for a shower or thunderstorm, mid to upper 90s across the area, but we will not hit 100 tomorrow. And then Sunday, mostly sunny, temperatures 83 to 89 degrees. Monday, temperatures in the low 80s. And then the models are putting out a rainstorm for Tuesday. I'm going to hold off saying there's going to be a rainstorm for Tuesday till I see some more data, but that would be something special. Have a great day, everybody.